Day trading, it's almost impossible. Keyword, almost. Now recently I've been making some videos talking about day trading, talking about the real truth, talking about how hard it is, and really just kind of breaking down all of the difficulties and all of the issues with becoming a profitable day trader. And I've gotten a lot of hate also from people that are like, he's a terrible day trader anyway, so he has no idea what he's talking about. But what I want to talk about in this video is how I've battled the odds to become profitable, and I'm going to show you my actual broker statements for one of my accounts here in a second, showing real profits, real money, real profits, real money, talking about it in this video. So make sure you stay tuned to see the broker statement. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Patrick here. If you guys are new to the channel, if you haven't already subscribed and you're just watching this video for the first time, I don't know what kind of rock you've been living under, but we're here on YouTube putting up videos every day, talking about day trading, talking about life, talking about making money, and all of that fun stuff. So, well, if you want, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere around here. All right, so the reason that I'm making this video is that recently I feel like I've been putting out a lot of negative videos in terms of you can't make money day trading. It's impossible. It's too hard. It's too difficult. So I want to make this video talking about how it is possible, how it is going to be hard, but it's possible. It's almost impossible, but it is possible. Now, when I first started day trading, it was about 2 years ago now, when I first started day trading, there really was nobody out there on YouTube talking about how hard it was, talking about the difficulties, talking about the emotions. All it was, well, I guess all of the big time YouTubers at the time, 2 years ago, I feel like in the last 2 years, YouTube's really exploded in terms of people making YouTube channels, people, really kind of taking off with the whole social media, YouTube, day trading thing. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe there was a lot of people trading before me, but really talking about the difficulties, talking about the emotions, people don't want to hear it. People don't want to hear the truth. People don't want to hear that there's a good possibility that they're going to lose all the money that they invest right away when they first start day trading. All people want to hear about is how they're going to get really, really rich really, really quick, and they're going to make a lot of money and buy a lot of Lambos. And there's nothing more that I want in the world than to everybody watching this video to make millions and millions of dollars and buy lots and lots of Lambos. Have fun with that. But I see more value in sharing the battles, the emotions, and the difficulties to becoming profitable as a day trader. When I first started day trading, I really had no idea what I was doing. I was just buying stocks, I was selling and buying and selling, buying basically anything that was moving, thinking that if it was moving, well, it would continue to go higher, right? If it's going up 100%, why can't it go up 200%? And that was the theory of a beginner day trader. The beginner day trader of just chasing everything and buying at the top. And it's been a battle. It really has been a battle. I'm still battling my emotions today. Just the other day, I blew up the small account. I guess I didn't really blow up the small account. I had an $1,800 loss. But either way, it's always a battle. When you get into that mindset, it's hard to get out of that mindset. When you get into that spiral, it's hard to stop the spiral. I would imagine that it's pretty similar to jumping out of a plane with a parachute, and if you start spiraling, it's hard to stop until you basically hit the ground or you figure out a way to stop. But in general, you're going to lose a lot of altitude before you can stop spiraling. That's the biggest thing about day trading is there's nobody to stop you. You can put a maximum loss on your account. You can do things to try to stop you from losing a lot of money in one day, but there's nobody that's going to step out of the closet or come in your office and be like, Patrick, you're done. Or there's nobody to really hold you accountable. It's easy to get into a spiral. It's easy to start buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, and before you know it, you're down $1,000 just like that. Now it's hard to buy, sell, 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 and make $1,000 just like that, but it's not impossible. And that's what I want to make it clear here. Just because I talk about day trading being real hard, believe that I can't make money. And that's the goal here, understanding what difficulties are going to arise at certain moments, at certain points during my day trading kind of path. Understanding that there's going to be red days, understanding that it's going to be hard, understanding that it's going to be difficult. And that's power. Basically, knowledge is power. The more understanding that you have, the more understanding of your emotions, the more understanding of day trading, the stock market, and how it all works, the better chance that you can become profitable. And understanding that it's going to be hard, extremely, extremely hard, is going to make it that much easier when you do kind of figure it out. And you know, I can easily just make videos here on YouTube, just constantly just talking about making tons of money and just talking about Lambos and getting rich and start a day trading course in a chat room and make millions and millions of dollars. Day trading for me is supplemental income. Me making money day trading does not change my life in terms of paying the bills or losing money or anything like that. You know, I've got a lot of different income sources. So for me, day trading is just one tiny income source. Just day trading is one little thing that I do on the side when I have free time. And then, you know, lately I've been kind of not as focused on day trading, and that's totally fine because I've got a lot of different income sources. And I've talked about this in the past as well. When you first start day trading, the last thing that you want to do is put all of your eggs into one basket and go, hey, I'm putting all my money, all of the pressure, all of my needs, all of my wants onto the idea of day trading and making enough money to either support my family, pay all the bills, live off of, and all of that. Really, the best thing that you can do is not put all of your eggs into one basket. Put a little bit of money into a trading account, learn to trade, keep working your normal job, maybe work at night, whatever you got to do to not make it so day trading is your only income source. Because if you do that, it's going to make it really, really difficult to overcome emotion again, because it's the end of the month, your mortgage is due, your rent is due, and now you're down $1,000 because you just dug a huge hole because you wanted to make $1,000, and that's how it goes. So enough talk. I'm sure you're only here to see my broker statement anyway, so come on over here. I don't know what's the easiest way of doing this, but I want to do it like this because I saw a video the other day. Actually, this is not what I want you to see. This is a video of Steve Kalajian's coming out soon, a little day in the life. But I saw a video the other day of some YouTube day trading stuff where the guy posted like a screenshot of his broker statement that was clearly like a screenshot, which I can't get this off here now. Posting his broker statement, and the whole entire broker statement is just like a screenshot. And you can see, like, it's just literally a screenshot, which is really funny because how easy is that to Photoshop? I'm not trying to say that the guy was Photoshopping his account statement, but interesting either way. So behind me here, I'll kind of pull my head out of the way so you guys can see. So you can see my broker statement here. This is from January till April, and you can see real deal. This is not Photoshop, this is real deal on the computer screen. Profit and loss summary. If you scroll down here to the bottom, it'll give my total realized P&L so far on the year, which is $12,000.172. After commissions and fees, the true P&L is $10,000.858. So there it is, showing you guys the actual broker statement. And like I said, actually not just showing you a screenshot, but really showing you the actual website and all that. So keeping it real here, guys. Keeping it real for you guys. So there it is, my broker statement you just saw there on the computer behind me, and showing you guys the real deal of one of my broker statements. Now I've got a cryptocurrency trading account. I've got another trading account, and I haven't been trading futures because I had some problems with the futures clearing firm, and then I've had my other stuff going on with my family and all that. So I just really haven't been in the mindset to keep like figuring that out right now. Once I get back from the Bahamas, I'm going to the Bahamas Thursday, Friday, going fishing in the Bahamas. So once I get back from the Bahamas, maybe I'll think about funding another account and figuring that out and going through that process again and getting signed up for that futures clearing firm and moving that way. But for now, doing what I'm doing, making videos, having fun, living life. And I want to make it clear, like I said in many videos before, I do not live off of day trading by any means. Now, I've been making decent money, making $4,000, $3,000 a month isn't a bad income if you don't have a lot of bills. But for me, well, I have a lot of bills because I like to have a good time. I like to go boating, fishing, and traveling and all that. So I've got to make extra money than just my day trading. And luckily for me, I have, like I said earlier, different income sources that basically supplement all of these different things. So, $3,000 or $4,000 from different sources, doing that 5, 6, 7 times you can make close to $20,000 a month. Not a bad way to live if you have that opportunity. Again, that's why I always stress the idea of having multiple income sources. If one of those income sources maybe just gets cut off, or you don't get paid that month on something or whatever it is, you don't have all that pressure to make it up right away because you have other income sources. Having that power, having that confidence that you're not relying on one income source is the best way to play it. Also, you know, cryptocurrency lately, Litecoin had a really nice move on that, going from $40 up to almost $99, almost $100. And I'm still holding a lot of that as well. So we'll see what happens with cryptocurrency. Is it going to go to the moon? Is it time to party once again? We will see. But I want to put this video out there to give some inspiration because I feel like I've been a little bit negative or a little bit depressing lately. And here it is, proof that you can make money day trading, proof that you can become profitable day trading. You just got to put in a lot of work. You got to be a crazy person, basically, is what it comes down to. You have to just be a lunatic to believe that you can become profitable day trading. Even when people tell you it's impossible, I'll tell you right now, it is possible, but it's going to be really, 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 really hard to do it. So make sure you understand that going into it, that it's going to be hard, it's going to be difficult, and it takes a lot of patience and a lot of time. So get ready for all of that, my friends. If you're looking to get rich quick, well, go buy a lottery ticket because day trading is not for you. There it is. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button down there, the subscribe button over there somewhere, and I will talk to you guys later on.